Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. December's already going extremely quickly, and I'm daily vlogging again, and Vlogmas has made December already go really quickly. I can't believe I'm doing day 5 already. But I think I'm actually missing a few chocolates from here because I forgot that I had an advent calendar basically. So I'm going to find days 4 and 5 now and eat them on the camera. So we have a little Santa, a really badly moulded Santa. And then we also have a little present. How cute. I love a chocolate advent calendar, although I do really want a beauty one. I feel like I've spoken about that before, but one of the things I say on my bucket list, but I think that's just a bit too far at this point, because like, why is something like that on my bucket list? But on Christmas I want to treat myself, when I have the funds, to a beauty advent calendar. I really like the look of the Look Fantastic one, Body Shop one, or just like a different calendar really. I mean, like Hattie downstairs has her little Lego one and she's making little Christmas figures every day. But yeah, I just want something a little bit different just to spice things up, you know. Also, I just thought I'd quickly show this because I received it last week and I completely forgot and haven't included it in any of my vlogs. So just in case anyone was wondering, I've been sent this Dewy Tree black sheet mask that is by a Korean brand, which is Dewy Tree is a Korean brand, and it says this is a 3-step Vita capsule black mask. I think first there's a peeling foam. I've never had anything like this before, whether there's like different stages of the mask or like, I don't know, I've just never tried anything like this before. It looks really cool, like the packaging. But up here it says that there's a peeling foam, which you do first. Then step 2 is an activator, and then the 3rd step is the actual black sheet mask. So it has, again, like some stuff on the back to give you a bit of guidance, and they've sent me out this press release thing so I can tell you guys a bit about it. Oh, there's 2 different types. So I've got the aqua black mask, but there's also the capsule black mask. And I think I picked the aqua one because obviously it's more hydrating and I have really dry skin. So it says that it follows the same steps as the capsule mask, but it delivers a different result as it's focused on providing moisture to severely dehydrated skin types. Perfect candidate for that. With a formula made from hyaluronic acid, which is amazing, deep ocean water and sargassum, a type of seaweed. Each of these ingredients will deliver nourishing benefits to the skin, helping to protect collagen, which we need to do to stop the aging, and increase cell renewal to create a youthful glow from first use. This would be an excellent travel companion to revive dry and dehydrated skin in hot climates. So yeah, there's a little bit about that mask. I just thought I'd share it with you because I thought it was quite cool and haven't seen anything like it, and Korean skincare has been an absolute godsend. Since I've been trying my other masks from Mask Time, the Korean skin masks are so much better. Anyway, I'm just about to do my skin and sort my hair out because it's in this little turby towel. And yeah, I will catch up with you when me and Megan start some work downstairs. This is not how I wanted to spend Vlogmas Day 5. Yeah. So Megan's currently working on her critique, I want to say. This is basically, it's kind of weird, it's kind of awful, like the whole concept of it. So basically Megan has to critique a professionally like a published article. Is that an article like, or
yeah, it's like a
published piece of work.
Someone's done a study and they've written it up and I've got to rip the shit out of it.
Which is awful because clearly it's okay if it's been published. Yeah, so Megan's finding that a little bit difficult. Is that your hardest assignment so far, would you say?
Yeah, the only good thing about it is you don't have to write a conclusion, and I hate writing conclusions.
Yeah, me too. I just hate summarising everything. I'm like, I've just written what I need.
Yeah, Hat's up there breaking down about it.
Yeah, Hat's also breaking down, but she's not here because she hates us. And I'm working on my employability assignment. So currently just getting up like what I need on Blackboard. On my assessments bit, I've decided I'm going to film my video interview on Saturday when Megan and Hattie are out with their families at the Christmas markets, just because then the house will be like completely quiet and I can sit in the kitchen and do it, so it's like a professional background and stuff. rather than in my room with my tapestry and shit hanging in the back.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'll probably film a bit of that. But yeah, I'm just working on my CV and cover letter at the minute. I haven't started my cover letter yet, but my CV's pretty much almost there. Like, I know exactly what I'm writing, so I'm going to finish that first and then move on to the cover letter, which apparently, like, barely anyone does anymore, so...
Lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with bits and tick.
Right, so I have just got ready for musical theatre. I still need to change my outfit and put a lipstick on, but I'm ready. I feel like everything's been in a bit of a rush, but I've only got 6 to wait today because I'm not like overdoing it and doing another full run, and then tomorrow's the actual showcase. So when you're seeing this, the showcase will be at 6 o'clock, so I'll put the poster on the screen right now. But if you're available, you live in Lincoln locally, you go to uni or whatever, feel free to come. It's free. Donations are gratefully accepted because we need money to fund our spring show, which is Legally Blonde, which is amazing. If you want to come watch the showcase, feel free to bring your friends along, family, whatever you fancy. We've got like a range of musical numbers like singing and dancing, and everyone's really great. Like, everyone's so talented, so I'm really excited that it's tomorrow, and we're just working on a couple of bits tonight that need a little bit of tweaking, but nothing too major. So yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys, anyone tomorrow. Like, I'll try and stay around, hopefully, if anyone does end up coming, but obviously know that everyone's got busy schedules at uni and it's all a bit hectic, so I understand if no one can come. But yeah, I'm really excited because my family are actually coming up tomorrow, which is so lovely. I get to see them twice in 1 week because they're coming for the Christmas markets at the weekend, so that's really exciting. So I'll be seeing them twice, and tomorrow night I might get one of them to film when I'm on stage, so hopefully I can include the footage in the vlog tomorrow, which will be fun. And yeah, I'm gonna get going now before I'm late. Okay, at this point I feel like this is dedication because I've got my phone torch on to light me up. Me and Megan just walked together, she's gone to the gym, and I'm en route to mine and Jodie's meeting place. I look so weird. I've got my like torch shining at my face so you can see me better. But yeah, I will catch up with you when I'm with Jodie and we're all inside rehearsals. There she is. There she is. Yay!
Then you got your camera.
Yeah, I was actually looking like a proper weirdo. I had my face lit up like with my phone so you can actually see me. Ah. Right, so I'm now back from rehearsals. We've just watched I'm a Celeb. But yeah, I'm back now. I'm just about to make my bed all nice and cosy with fresh sheets. I'm absolutely buzzing. I'm in my classic cringy attire, e.g. I've got matching Bambi pyjamas. I was on the FaceTime to my boyfriend yesterday and he was like, what's the 42 for? And fun fact, Bambi was created in 1942. No one thinks it's that Disney has been around that long, but it actually has. And I just thought that was a fun fact. I was like, 1942, Bambi, Aiden. How do you not know this? But yeah, Bambi was like my favourite Disney film growing up. And I remember when I was in town one time, some guy was trying to sell me something and then he like basically dissed Bambi, and I'm never going to buy anything from you now. I wasn't going to anyway, but if you diss Bambi, like, I'm sorry. Like, I know it's not the best now, it's not my favourite now, but it will always be in my heart. It's my childhood fave Disney film, so I'm a little saddo, but who cares? Yeah, anyway, I need to sort this bed out because this is what it's looking like, and just, I need to tidy my room up basically before I go to sleep, otherwise I'm not going to be able to live with myself. I need to just tidy up because my family are going to come in tomorrow and they're going to be like, you're a little rat. I am actually just about to wrap some Christmas presents up because I felt in the mood for it, and although it is 11:20, I feel like I can get a few wrapped up. I don't want to wrap all of them yet because I do want to do like a mini Christmas gift guide, like I said, either earlier on in this vlog or the last vlog. So I am just about to wrap some of my presents. I'll show you my wrapping paper because I am obsessed with like brown paper packaging, and I did it last year with like really cool patterns on, and I don't know, I just thought they were really cute. I need to find all my decorations because they're in these bags somewhere, but they've got presents in, so I don't want to like fully show because some people's presents are in there that watch my vlogs. But these are the two papers that I found this year. I probably will need some more, but I absolutely love this. These were from Home Sense and they're exactly what I wanted. So this one has like a red truck, sort of like similar to the Coca-Cola. I don't know, it gave me them vibes, but they're so cute, with like a tree on the top of the red truck, and then we've got some holly and like gold sparkly dots. So I'm gonna get wrapping with this paper. I'm really excited, yay. I'm being a lazy bitch and just went to Megan's room instead of going all the way downstairs to get the normal scissors. So I'm using Megan's nail scissors to cut my wrapping paper. So before anyone judges me, I know I'm lazy. Right, so I have just finished wrapping up some presents for my family and for the girls. I can only show obviously a few things, like I really hope you can't properly see what's going on because I don't want anyone's presents to be spoiled just yet, but yeah, I feel nice that I've like wrapped a few presents up. It's made me feel really Christmassy again. Just watching everyone's Vlogmas videos, which is absolutely fab. I will remember this time to leave the channels down below whose Vlogmases I'm keeping up with this year. Very, very exciting. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you earlier, I got my chemistry grade back. Basically, if you've been watching the vlogs over the past few weeks, you'll know that we got followed home. If you didn't know that, I'll leave the vlog down below so you can hear the whole proper story time and how scary it was. But basically, that happened on a Sunday night, and on the Monday I had an assessment that was 50% of one of my module grades. I was absolutely terrified I was going to fail it. I did it. It was literally 9 till 5, pretty much non-stop. We had an hour break, but it was very, very intense. And I managed to come out with 65%, which is a like solid 2-1, and I'm so beyond happy because that chemistry module is quite difficult. Like, I'm not naturally talented at chemistry. I didn't do it for A-level, so I don't have any like background experience or knowledge on it, so I'm so happy with myself that I've managed to get that grade. And it's also taken a lot less pressure off me for the analytical chemistry exam, which will be in January with all my other exams. I've got all my exam timetable now and it's not too bad, apart from the fact that most of my exams are 4 till 6 in the evening, which is mad. But I guess I've got the whole day to revise, but I feel like I always overload my brain then, and then by the time it gets to like 4 PM I'm like knackered and can't do any work anymore. So I do prefer the 9 AM exams, I'm not gonna lie. I have one of them, but yeah, more about them when January comes. We're going to think about Christmas for now and revision and stuff. So yeah, I'm really happy that I got that chemistry grade back, and it's boosted my spirits because obviously my last grade, if you've been watching, I was so upset because I'd spent so much time on that report and I actually thought I did well, and I didn't get the grade I wanted or that I thought I was going to get. Like, I really thought that I would get like a decent grade, so yeah, that was really disheartening. But now this has definitely boosted my spirits because it was a way difficult module and I've got a lot higher than I expected. So yeah, great news. I'm gonna go off to bed now. Make sure you stick around for tomorrow's vlog because it's my musical theatre winter showcase, and make sure you come along if you do see this beforehand and you feel like you want a spontaneous night out. It is free after all, and yeah, I'm really excited for that, even though it's kind of nerve-wracking now that it's actually happening. Yeah, I guess I will see you tomorrow, and fingers crossed someone will film some of the showcase so I can show you guys what I get up to, what I'm doing in it, and yeah, see you in the next vlog. Bye.
Merry Christmas!